Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today we're making an enchilada casserole. The first thing I'm going to do is add some oil to the pan. Then I'll add some onion, garlic, and roasted red peppers. I'm going to saute these for 10 to 15 minutes until they start to brown and caramelize. Now add the corn and the black beans, along with the seasoning and the bouillon cube. So now I'm just mixing everything to make sure all of the seasoning coats the vegetables. Now I'm going to add the spinach and I'll cook it down until it wilts. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Okay, to assemble the casserole, you're going to need a pan that you can put into the oven, some vegan cheese, some flour tortillas, and some enchilada sauce. Cover the bottom of the pan with the enchilada sauce, then add the flour tortilla, put some of the filling on top, place the cheese on top of that, and then repeat the steps. Top the last layer with the enchilada sauce, then cover it with the vegan cheese. Cover the casserole, place it in the oven for 40 minutes. You should let this cool for about 30 minutes because 20 minutes obviously wasn't enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and
subscribe.